Hello everyone, how you doing? Look, we're going to make this nice kind of simple fish potato pie. I'm calling it shepherd's pie, but obviously it's not shepherd's, it's fish. Now look, get your mashed potato ready. I'm pretty sure you know how to make mashed potato, don't you? So I'm not going to show you how to do that, but let's get on with our fish. So what I've got here is I've got some dory fish. You can use any fish you want, I suppose. This was frozen, I defrosted it, and then I'm going to cut it into kind of fairly chunky parts. Let's get over to the cooker. This is really simple and delicious. Really, really simple. So in my pan here, I've got olive oil. You can change the oil if you want. I'm adding 1 bay leaf, 1 cup of onion, which I've cut quite small. I'm using a red onion. Again, change that if you want. We're going to go over a tablespoon of garlic that I've chopped. To that we're going to be adding some salt and some black pepper, and then I'm going to add a couple of spices. You can choose the ones that you want. What I'm going with today is I'm going to go with a teaspoon of smoked paprika and a teaspoon of oregano. The smoked paprika I think is really delicious in this, but like I say, change it to something else that you want. Okay, so on and above medium heat, we're going to go for about 4 minutes, stirring pretty much all of the time. Then we're going to add in our fish. Now this is a very delicate fish and it will cook very quickly, so depending on the type of fish you've got will depend on how long you have to cook it for. For me, we're going to go here for about 5 minutes, again on an above medium heat. You can see that we've got some moisture from the fish. I'm adding 1 cup of cream. Now I'm using a thick cooking cream, but if you want to use a single kind of runny cream, it all works out exactly the same. Don't worry about that. So we're going to fold that in. Heat still on, keeping it moving there. Just like 2 minutes maybe, and then this is pretty much done, apart from I'm going to be adding to mine a nice handful of fresh basil or basil. Anything fresh is lovely in there, isn't it? Like some parsley or coriander, or, you know, up to you, some mint. I'm going with these fresh basil leaves. That's it. We can turn the heat off now, and we've got ourselves a lovely, lovely mixture, which we're going to pour into my glass dish. Now you can use glass, you can use ceramic, you can use metal. It's entirely up to you, long as it can go in the oven. Right, mashed potato time. You know how to do this. We're going to get a nice layer on the top. I'm just prodding it there with a fork, but I'm not making it flat. Do you know what I mean? Keeping some kind of peaks and troughs. Bit of cheddar cheese or any other cheese you want. We're going to get that into the oven. But I am going to just add a little bit of paprika as a signature. So really hot oven, maximum heat. Everything's cooked here. We're just getting it together. You know what we're looking for. That's going to go in my oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. Absolutely delicious. Look at that. Like I say, I've used a kind of a red Leicester cheddar on there, but any cheese you want works. A bit of Parmesan on there or something, up to you. Serve that up. Absolutely delightful. I hope you enjoyed that. You keep safe. You keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.